Now, even though YouTube is seeing a massive wave of AI slop content on the platform, and hundreds, if not thousands of creators are being demonetized for uploading AI slop content on the platform, they still decided to integrate this on the platform for creators to utilize. Check it out.
It's free and it lets you remix eligible shorts by typing your own prompt, selecting a Gemini suggested edit, or uploading images, and the model will remix up to 10 seconds of the video. I'm Renee Ritchie, a longtime creator now working inside YouTube, and here's what's up. With Gemini Omni in YouTube Shorts and in the YouTube Create app, you can add yourself to your favorite short, put your own spin on it with stylistic changes, or even transform the characters into vampires, space knights. The only limit is your creativity. Whether you have 10 subs or 10 million, the tools are easy to use. The interface is built for speed, and it handles edits in the background so you can remix on the go. Every remix links back to the original video so viewers can discover the original creators, and this lets fans engage with their favorite creators in new ways, step directly into their favorite short.
So basically, Gemini Omni, which was designed by Google and then integrated into YouTube, allows creators to easily remix shorts of other creators using a prompt on the same platform that is struggling to wipe out AI slop content. So what exactly is YouTube trying to do here? Okay, because this would only increase the amount of AI slop channels on the platform. It's not going to in any way help creators make better videos. I don't need to say much about it, but here's what I'm going to say. If you think that this new feature, just because it's introduced, by Google and then integrated into YouTube, if you think that you could use this feature to grow your channel and then monetize it without any problems, well, go find out what inauthentic and reused content is, because thousands, let's say hundreds of channels, I don't want to exaggerate, are currently being demonetized because of inauthentic content. And a lot of these channels utilizes features like this to make their videos. So if all you do is remix shorts from other creators using AI, it's not going to be transformative enough for the algorithm to allow it to be monetized. It's not. If you want to transform videos on the platform the right way, you have to do it yourself. And there are a few ways to properly transform other creators' videos or anybody's videos. One of the few ways to do that is to add a commentary, just like I'm doing in this video. And another way to do that is to react to the video and maybe show your face on camera and then talk about the video. So these are the few ways to properly transform a content that isn't originally yours. But if you think AI could easily help you transform content without the algorithm, flagging it, you're wrong, okay? You are wrong. It's even, very risky to remix your own personal videos on YouTube currently. Not to talk of remixing the videos of other creators using AI. Your channel is gonna be hit, guys. Don't do it. Don't use this feature, no matter how much YouTube tries to sugarcoat it. Don't use it. All right. I cannot believe that YouTube would announce something like this. It just doesn't make any sense. Thousands of creators have been demonetized because mainly because of AI, and yeah, a lot of hardworking creators are hit as well, which is one of the downsides of this new mass demonetization wave. So YouTube isn't actually helping this matter at all by introducing something like this. But it's just my opinion. I don't know what you guys think. Feel free to share your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.